Okay, second part of my video. I probably should have made this one first. This just shows the table setting upright this time. See where the X-axis motor mount is will set there. Just kind of scanning up and showing you the top. As you'll see, I have beefed it up quite a little bit. Of course, there's rails in the back and rails in the front, as well as linear bearings front and back. There's of course struts to help strengthen the top to keep as much deflection out of the machine as I can possibly get. Again, this is just coming back, showing you the rails, the motor mount for the Y-axis, on down, of course, into the linear bearings again. Looks like I'm being shadowed here, so forgive me for that. These are the linear bearings. I try to show you there's one on the outside and one on the inside, so the thing is actually doubled up. Gussets on the underneath side here to help strengthen that, as well as gussets on here to keep deflection down. Notice that they have the double bearings, double linear bearings inside of in here. Show you this the best I can. Trying to pan through. Alright, underneath. Okay, and then up to, of course, the double set of linear bearings and rails. Okay, mounting for the Z-axis. Okay. Z-axis is the only part that is has not been doubled up on bearings and rails. We'll try to figure out on my next build a modification of this, possibly how to go about doing that. Okay, gussets on top, which is same way the FLA-100 had, but of course, like I showed in the last video, I had a lot more on the bottom to help the deflection. Try to stiffen this thing up as much as possible. Okay, and I'd already shown this, but then of course here's the gussets on the bottom. Can't quite see inside of here, but I did show some of that as well. Okay. Gussets on the legs, all of the mounting holes for each of the rails. See if you can see them. Each rail has it set, and there's a screw inside of each one of those that have been tightened down. Also, you can see where I have drilled access holes to mount carriage bolts, so the carriage bolt head can slip through, and then I can use those for my clamps. That carries through onto the other side. You can't really see that well. I apologize for the minimal light. Okay. So there it is, and you see all the junk on the back side. I just threw stuff together. I apologize for that. What you also see in the background is new kitchen cabinets. I have yet another task ahead of me, and that's 2 kitchen cabinets. I need to finish up on that. Okay. Again, thanks for watching. Obviously, any comments, suggestions, or observations, complaints, or whatever. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.